good morning and goodbye to Carnival Mardi Gras. Today is Debarkation Day. A lot of things going on this morning. All of our bags are packed. We're trying something new this time. Usually we self-debark. We take our own luggage with us. But this time we set our luggage and stuff out last night just so we can see how that whole process goes. It's going to be kind of interesting, I'm sure. But right now it's time to go get some breakfast. Then we come back to the room, grab our luggage, and go to a waiting area for our zone number to be called. Our zone number is 15, so I'm kind of interested to see how long that's going to take to go. But right now we're going to get us some food. We'll see y'all in a little bit.
Bye.
To the parking garage, we're all loaded up. It's 9:40. They call our area at 9 o'clock. It took us 20 minutes to get through customs, the other 20 minutes to get to the elevator. Not sure I like this tag your bag and go thing. Good morning from Universal Orlando.
Wow.
Yeah, y'all thought we were done. Shit, we're just getting started.
Uh-huh.
So what do you think about that Rip Ride Rocket?
It's awesome as always.
What y'all think about it?
Awesome.
Rip Ride Rocket.
Awesome.
It's an experience. If you've never rode that, yeah, it's definitely a must ride. If you've never rode it, it's definitely one of them. Take everything out of your pockets. Don't chance it. Put it in the locker. Tuck in your lanyard. Have a big time. So we made our way into Universal, and we picked up our monthly pin, and they even have a bonus pin today, which is pretty cool. So we're gonna head over to Kings Cross Station and catch the train over to Islands of Adventure. Then we'll try to get in a couple of the newer roller coasters and rides over there. A little busy today. Considering it's not quite 60 degrees, it's a little busier than what I thought it would be, but that's fine. Florida sunshine, you gotta love it. We got us a little smackerel, and now we're in the express line for Hagrid's Magical Motorbike. If you want to see the full ride experience, I'll put an iCard and I'll link it down in the description. Actually GoPro'd this entire ride from beginning to end, the full experience from the motorcycle side. So if you want to see that, just pop on over and check it out. So what do you think about Hagrid's from the motorcycle side?
Riding that motorcycle. Oh my goodness. That is like 10 times better. Now we're going to get on the Velocicoaster.
So what do you think about that Velocicoaster?
Holy smokes. Y'all come here. You got to ride that. It is. It's unreal. I want to ride it again.
When they tell you nothing in your pockets, they mean nothing in your pockets. Take everything out of your pockets. Anything that may be loose or may become loose, put it in one of the lockers. I was coming up off my seat, and I'm not exactly a little guy, but this is a woo boy ride is what this is. We stopped to get us a little bite to eat after riding the Forbidden Journey over here in Islands of Adventure. And we opted for a turkey leg, french fries, and giant chocolate chip combo. I said a combo because one turkey leg, one order of fries, and one chocolate chip was enough to feed both of us. So y'all are over here on Islands of Adventure and you're hungry, get a turkey leg. If there's more than one of you that's hungry, get a turkey leg. So,
Yeah, definitely.
yeah, it's very good, but it's very filling. Smoked turkey.
It's delicious.
So we're gonna let our food settle a little bit, and then we'll go see what else we can get into.